Hello ladies and gentlemen, I received a Microsoft email, so they send this update to our terms of use conditions. The new Microsoft Service Agreements take effect of September 30th, 2026. Does it mean Microsoft suddenly announces that they're going to start spying on everyone? No, but I made me look at the Windows already collections and what actually I can turn off. And if you want to follow along, I'm putting every command prompt into my video description so you can copy them instead of writing. Or let's start doing this. First of all, we're going to need to do backup first. Click on Start and type in Create Restore Point. We already create the restore point, but you click on Create One. Type your name over here. It can be today date, 8/10/2026. And hit create restore point. While restore point is created, close this window, and we will going to be at command prompt some settings, and I'll show you exactly what to do. Open command prompt as administrator. For this, in the search dialog box, type in CMD and right click on it, run as administrator. In command prompt, we're going to be enter series of commands for your Windows. First of them will be to reduce Windows diagnostic data. So I'm starting with Windows diagnostic data. I'm setting up to require a basic install it of optional or full. So in registry, we're going to be at this command. This not completely stop diagnostic data. Windows still send required diagnostic information. But go ahead and copy this from my description and paste it into the settings and hit enter. I accidentally entered the wrong pass. We'll do this again. So now it says the operation complete successfully. So this does not completely stop diagnostics again. Windows will send the required diagnostics information anyway. The second options we're going to do to disable advertising and diagnostic personalizations. Next, I'm disabling the Windows advertising ID and stopping Windows from using diagnostic data for tailored experience. So go to the description and copy option number 2 and enter after Control V. You can enter it, and as you can see, the operation complete successfully. So that reduces advertising and identification and personalization based on diagnostic data. So next step is number 3. We're going to stop up and active tracking. Now I'm turning off app launch, tracking, and Windows activity feed publishing and uploading. In description, you can find this text under number 3 options. To select, Control C copy and enter back into here, Control V, and there you go. This reduces Windows tracking activity and personalization and cross-device activity features. The next option, number 4, we will disable Windows location. Next, I'm turning off Windows location and denying Windows app access to your location. So go to description, copy number 4, and enter into the command prompt. You should see successful completion. If you're on app that need Windows location, this setting can affect it. So you're going to need to enable this into the app that you're going to use. The next option is number 5, to disable online speech and voice activation. Sometimes computer automatically can start recording your voices and send it to application that can track everything. Now I'm turning off the Microsoft online speech recognition options and Windows app voice activation. If you don't want that to be disabled, you can simply skip this process. So this is a successfully completed. This does not disable my microphone. It stops the Windows speech and voice activation features. Number 6 is cloud clipboard feedback and consumer experience. Now I'm disabling cross-device clipboard synchronization, window feedback requests, and Microsoft consumer experience. In my description, you can copy option number 6 and enter into the command prompt, and you should see all successful changes. The clipboard settings is especially interesting because cloud clipboard synchronization can move copies items between Windows devices. Okay, and that's basically what I was sharing with you guys, and that's what I've done on my computer. And to finish that process, so you need to restart the Windows so the Windows can apply those changes. I did not disable Windows Defender, Smart Screen, Windows Updates, my camera on my microphone. I'm trying to reduce unnecessary data sharing and personalization, not disabling the security features that protect the computer. So Microsoft September 30th terms and conditions. Suddenly starting a new screen surveillance program. But Windows already has a lot of privacy, diagnostic activities, locations, and personalization settings that many people probably never look at. I show you exactly what changes on my computer, and look forward for more privacy video on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.